Sumit Kumar, you are going to appear for NIACL legal on which date and in
On
which
23rd December, sir.
23rd December, Saturday,
Yes, sir.
which place?
Delhi.
Oh, good. Acha. Sumit Kumar, I think first time you must have introduced yourself and supposing you want to make it brief and tell me essential points that will make you feel eligible for this post, what are the points you will tell? Let me tell it in Hindi. आप अभी बोलना चाहते तो जो पॉइंट से आपको जरूर ये नौकरी देने पड़ेगा उसमें से क्या पॉइंट्स आप हाईलाइट करके हमको बताएंगे?
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Sir, I'm a very hardworking person with a lot of patience, and further, I have an interest in corporate law, so that will be a very essential job requirement for an ISCL legal. So uh, it will help in increasing my output for this job.
Mhm. Acha. You said corporate law. What are the laws you have in mind?
So most important laws are Companies Act, SEBI Act, and and uh, and Contact Act. Absolutely, sir.
Mhm. Mm, corporate means a corporate has to deal with banks, so they must know about Negotiable Instruments Act. Corporate means they have to deal with insurance companies, so they must be familiar with IRDA Act or Insurance Act at least, and they must be familiar with Banking Regulation Act 1949. Do you follow? Then since corporate companies, they are dealing with, say, properties, they must be knowing about Transfer of Properties Act. What is the year in which it was passed?
Which act, sir?
Transfer of Property Act.
Transfer of Property Act 1882.
Acha, good. 1881 में which act was passed?
Negotiable Instrument Act.
1935.
19 Sales of Goods Act.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Acha. I am remembering Sale of Goods Act is coming as 1930.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sir, 1935. Then
Partnership Act.
Partnership Act. Yes, sir.
I was having only that in my mind,
Uh,
so I told you about that. Now that you told me about Sale of Goods Act,
yes, sir.
can you tell me the
Okay. Sir, sales of
important provisions of Sale of Goods Act?
Okay, sir. Sales of Goods Act deals with the transfer of movable property. Um, and
Mm.
Sir, I cannot recall important provisions right now.
You thought you're not prepared on this? You're not prepared on this one. Sale of Goods Act 1930, na?
Yes, sir.
Important points. So I am just sharing this with you. Okay, 1 minute. Excuse me. Kindly hold on.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I have to load. What is that? लॉ के लिए सेपरेट फोल्डर अभी तक हमने नहीं दिया है, फिर भी अभी करना है थोड़ा दिन से. अभी ये क्या है? सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट. सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट, इसका पहले लीगल डालना है. लीगल डालने से तो all the files will come. Oh, just a minute. I have to change the file name, then come to you. No, but now can you recollect something? Sale of Goods Act may some of the provisions of very, very important. Na? Hmm? Let the buyer beware.
Yes,
Something
sir.
like ये तो as a even in school you must have studied it, but आपको याद नहीं आता है?
Sir, I was trying to remember exactly the provision. Hmm. Sir,
Exact,
it is like
exact
sales
नहीं
of
चाहिए. Some points बताने से भी हो जाएगा.
Sales of Good Act is also read with the Contract Act for its interpretation,
Hmm.
and Sales of Goods Act especially deals with the transfer of movable properties.
Hmm. So
Mm,
come on, I am sharing these notes with you. Just a minute. What is today's date? I'm sharing. I'm here. I am sharing this with you. No, no. The reason why I am doing it, I am learning from that. That is the point. See, are you seeing on the screen?
yes, sir.
Sale of goods, sale and agreement to sell, definition, essential features, and formation of a contract. There may important thing you should say that people entering into contract must have capacity to contract. A minor is not entitled, he is not competent to contract. Something like that आप बोल सकते हैं ना. Then condition and warranties. This chapter is slightly confusing. Then transfer of property in goods and risk follows property. Transfer of title, performance of contract, sale of goods, unpaid seller, then suits for breach of contract and sale by auction. ऐसा भी दिया है. It's only 20 pages material. आप बाद में इसको go through कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी. हम क्या करना है? I have to share this with you. This is there in my. This is there. You are able to see this, na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm, just a minute. Sale of Goods Act. So this is one. Now tell me what is the important job role of a law officer in our say NIACL.
Okay, sir. There are mainly three verticals in which job profile of NACL EO legal work can be divided. First one is the officer has to make sure that the company is complying with all the regulatory laws like companies act and uh, securities contract act, further insurance laws, etc. Second main work is that is to draft the insurance policy of the NIACL uh, to make sure that it is complying with every law and is it and is it is in interest of business. Third one is that assisting the advocates in the cases in which NICL is a party.
Hmm. Good. Now they are asking similar cases. Last time also we discussed. Can you tell the cases where NIACL is involved?
Yes, sir. First one, Susila Ben Gandhi versus NIACL. Second one is NIACL versus Paresh Mohanlal Parmar.
Hmm.
Then Sim. Third one is Simram Cold Storage Private Limited versus NIACL.
Hmm.
And fourth one will be Khatim Fibers Limited versus NIACL.
Hmm. Acha, good. Here, how many cases our NIACL has settled recently? Here, there is one news you are seeing here. NIACL has settled 792 cases amounting to 4.93 crore. And
Sir,
UIICL
sir, on the screen it is not something else is showing.
not visible. I'm sorry, mistake. अभी आप देख रहे हो
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
NIACL. You please read this.
NISCL settled 792 cases amounting to rupees 4.93 crore, while UIICL settled 12,532 amounting to rupees 8.6 crore. Losses made because of claims paid in excess of sum insured was rupees 33 lakh for NISCL and 36.13 crore for NIS for UIICL for payments for claims made in terms of cumulative bonus and group or corporate policies.
Cumulative.
Yes, sir.
Cumulative नहीं बोलते, इसको cumulative बोलते हैं, ठीक है.
Okay.
इसका
Thank you, sir.
अलावा this question is also I think very interesting. New India Assurance Ministry of Finance Committee on Public Undertaking 16th report. New India Assurance Company. Then observations, recommendations which have been accepted by the government. Observations, recommendations which the committee do not desire to pursue in view of the government replies. Observations, recommendation, respect of which replies of government have not been accepted by the committee, which require observation, recommendation, respect of which the government has furnished interim replies. So I think it is better we go through 12 to 20, page number 12 to 20. I think we may get some interesting points in that. Observations, recommendations which have been accepted by the government. Okay, so isko baad mein aap padh lijiye so that you may be able to answer them. Okay, I'm not sure what is it telling here. The inquiry is in process by the DFS. We understand that the examining of the management defense witness is completed, but फिर भी reply of NIACL. Reply of the NIACL can maintain database to serve its local interest and engage independent surveyors and analyzers to help rational decision making. Doesn't matter. ये और कुछ आपको याद आता है NIACL का cases?
Another.
Because I came across a girl a lawyer whose video was very good. She covered so many points. Did you watch that one in our group? आपने
No, sir.
सुना है नहीं सुना है? अरे बाबा इतना बढ़िया आंसर दिया उन्होंने, वो क्या बताएगा? And she was able to tell one after the other acts. She was able to tell immediately one after the other acts. And she was, yeah, I will tell you, it's very interesting. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, I'll make it. Yeah, I'll stop it. Now I will come to this playlist. I'll go NIACL, AO, Dharme. See, why don't you do like this? Why don't you search and try to go through NIACL legal interviews at least?
Sir, in last few days I have not uh, gone for new videos.
You are not feeling well?
No, sir. Actually, I thought like no new videos are coming for legal.
Legal, ज़्यादा नहीं आया. You are right. वो उनको पोस्ट नहीं किया ना क्या? ओहो.
Mm.
I think legal first half good.
So there was a one video.
One lady.
Yes, sir. It was written that in Delhi. So
Delhi, Delhi.
it came earlier
It came earlier.
on the top.
It came earlier on top.
Yes, sir.
Mock interview.
No, sir.
Uh,
A little bit below.
General Tamil Nadu. Then Rajasthan. Automobiles. Punjab and Sindh Bank IT. Then
Yes, sir. Here.
this one.
No, no, sir. Sir, it was four videos below that.
No, 1 minute. Here NIACL ये वो legal लिखा है ना? No, this is another news I have posted. That was
No, sir.
another news I have
Sir,
posted.
yes, sir.
Here,
Sir, this one.
this one.
Yes,
ये
sir.
वाला,
You legal.
this
Yes, sir.
lady. Yeah, Sweta, super. That must be the one. 1 minute. Um, share sound, and I'll ask. Very good. Please tell why it's not coming. Yes. Can you please? This is your first time or second time with Meena?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, first time.
First time.
Okay.
Acha, acha. Very good. Please tell me about your son. Are you able to hear the sound?
Yes, sir. It is audible.
For giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shweta. I am from Delhi. I completed my schooling from DAV Public School. After that, I have
Copy link. Just a minute. For some places, I am not talking. I just given it to you. Law officer interview questions. You can see it afterwards. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now, you told me you are working in Union Bank, huh? Which bank?
Yes, sir. Union Bank. Yes, sir.
Which branch of Union Bank?
Sir, GTB Enclave, Delhi only.
Delhi only. Acha, acha. Good, good, good. So, what is the nature of work you are doing now?
I actually do not want to divert myself from all this, so I keep myself concentrated for this exam only.
True, but then is there a condition in IBPS SO that you I think you do have 12 years, but many times banks rely on demand promissory note. So there the limitation period is one. Mm,
Fundamental duties is the like part 3 explains the state that what they have to provide. Yes, sir.
Sir, I will check the video.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Please check the video afterwards. It is really worth it. बाद में
Okay,
आप
sir.
चेकअप कर लीजिए. What do you think will? Yeah. उधर में she has told so many cases. Pat. I was simply thrilled by that. When she can talk like that, why we should not get some more new cases also in that? So please get prepared for such a question on NIACL legal cases. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing I wanted to tell you. Now I should go to. Now tell me, why should I give preference to you? What is the extra expertise you have that makes you feel you are suitable for this job?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am a very quick learner and I like to meet and learn new things always. So it will help me in acquiring new skills and new knowledge uh, uh, every now and then.
Mm.
Further, further, I I like to interact with people, and which is a very essential skill required
Mm.
in a legal field. And
Yeah.
sir, as
Mm.
I have said that I have an interest in companies law, which can be a very essential for doing work as an legal officer in NIACL.
Now, okay. Now, when you talk about Companies Act, you must be aware of what are the differences between Companies Act 56 and 2013. Tell me three differences.
Okay, sir. So first one is a concept of one person company is introduced in Companies Act 2013.
Good.
Further, in Companies Act 2013, e-voting has been introduced, which was not available in 1956 Act.
Okay.
And third one is, sir, in Companies Act 2013, concept of corporate social responsibility has been introduced, which was
Mhm,
not available in 1956 Act.
mhm. Okay. Now, 3 points you are told sufficient. Now tell me about Motor Vehicle Act major changes.
Okay, so Motor Vehicle Act 1988 was amended in year 2019, and there were many major changes which came with this amendment. First
Mm,
one is like the concept of digitalization has been introduced in the act, as now registration of vehicles and application for licenses can be made through internet. Second, the punishments and fines and compensation has been increased. For example, uh, fine and fine and punishment for not having compulsory third third party insurance has been increased. Now it is rupees 2000, and further punishment has been introduced, that is 2 month imprisonment.
mm,
And further, sir, a advisory board had been established in order to advise central government for minimizing road accidents. And uh, sir, provisions are also made for uh, medical treatment during golden hour of the accident, so, such that no doctor uh, no doctor can deny treatment in the golden hour, and insurance company have to give compensation immediately for this.
mhm. Good. Now, very nice. Can you tell me about the recent Supreme Court judgments you have come across?
Okay, sir. The first one which I can recall is a state of Punjab versus uh, governor of Punjab, which was regarding Article 200 of the Constitution. Second one is abrogation of Article 370 case,
Mm,
and another recent judgment is same-sex marriage case.
mhm. What is the same-sex marriage that one is telling?
So same-sex marriage case, Supreme Court held that uh, there is uh, there is no fundamental right of getting married to a same-sex person. In earlier judgment, Supreme Court has recognized uh, transgender and other LGBTQ community. But
Mhm,
here, Supreme Court denies the right of marriage to them, as one of the reason given that this is the domain of legislature, and Supreme Court didn't want to go there.
mhm. Now, you are belonging to which state?
Sir, I am from Nalanda, Bihar.
Nalanda, Bihar. I'm just trying to find out whether I'm having some Bihar cases. Recently, there was a case regarding Nutan Kumari versus BRA, Bihar University. Did you come across that? Or can you tell some cases relating to Bihar? Bihar, because I can tell you some cases that I come across here, and it may be difficult for you to remember and then speak about them. Instead, if you can speak about some of the cases which you are remembering about state of Bihar or something that is related to Bihar, then that will be good. And other apart from this, since you are telling corporate law, you are interested, I would request you to be thorough with Corporate Tax Act.
Income
What
tax.
is what is income tax rate for corporates?
So currently it is 25%, and further so, surcharge has been imposed of 7% and 12%, depending upon the case.
Mhm. Okay, good one only.
It has been decreased recently.
Now,
Earlier it was 30%.
please tell me about corporates and GST. In what way GST law is of interest for our corporates?
Okay. Goods and Services Act has been introduced in year 2016, and GST is a value added tax. So that means it avoids taxation on tax. Um, and further,
Mm,
further Sir, you wanted to explain me difference between income tax,
No,
corporate
no,
tax, and
I am not asking you to explain about the difference. I am
okay,
asking general ideas regarding GST acts. What is its relevance to corporates?
okay, sir. So GST has provided many benefits for the corporates. First one is that it helps in the development of an organized economy. Second one would be like it has overall reduced the tax burden of the on the product of companies. Third one will be um, third one will be like GST has helped corporates to uh, so, I can recall only two, sir.
Now I would like you to do, I have given you some link, advocatecoach.com. You
Okay,
must be
sir.
knowing it. And then you also search in Google about NIACL cases. So you will get some more ideas about it so that it will be of interest for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is your father?
So my father name is Sunil Kumar, and he is engaged in the business of medical equipments.
What equipments? Medical
Medical.
equipment. Medical equipments. Good, good, good. Doesn't matter. What is your mother?
My mother name is Srimati Kumari Sanju, and she is a homemaker.
Right. You are married.
No, sir, I am not married.
How old are you?
Yes, sir, I am 25 years old.
Only 25. Yeah. How many years you have been practicing in courts?
Sir, I have not been practicing in court.
Okay. Anyhow, best wishes. You read a lot more about current affairs, the recent judgments, current affairs. They can ask you anything relating to
Okay, sir.
state happenings and all that.
So
Prepare.
problem was that if I make too many, I remember too many names of the cases, then I think that I am afraid that I will forget the name in the interview. That's why I have not
You
made a long list.
you don't have to remember. You have with you 10 cases in your mind relating to NIACL or Bihar.
Okay,
5
sir.
cases relating to NIACL. 5 cases relating to what? Bihar. Here,
Okay,
of course, this one is a negative case I'm coming across, that NIACL case, 4 years jail to 12 officers. This one you saw, this news you saw,
No, sir. Okay, sir. From in 26 years.
12 officers of insurance firm in 26-year-old case. It has happened in October. So please go through this case. I have not studied this. इसको भी आप पढ़ लीजिए. But though it is negative, if you can't remember any other thing, then you can tell about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Yeah. Only thing is, it's all a question of luck. What is the news that you are remembering about NIACL share price?
Sir, in recent few months, uh, it has increased very much, and it reached around. It became like even above rupees 230 per share.
Hmm.
But in recent few days, like 2 or 3 days ago, it has come down from
Now it
uh,
is 225.
30. Yes, sir.
225.
Yes,
And
sir.
market capitalization is 37.23 trillion crore.
Crores, yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. You are doing very well. Only thing is, you must be lucky enough to get the cases which, sorry, questions that are very suitable for you. I wish you success. Best wishes. Please attend the interview. Send me the list of questions they are asking.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Sorry
Thank you, sir.
if I have troubled you by asking some tough questions. Please excuse me.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Sir,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you for guiding me.
Thank you.